I always do this before going to bed, and the results in the morning are amazing. It's an American trick that really surprises you. So simple, yet so few people know about it. Pineapple is a popular fruit that's not only delicious, but can also be used in a totally different way. Even the peel is incredibly useful. Start by cutting the pineapple and removing the pulp. Don't throw away the peel, it's essential for this trick. Of course, eat the fruit so nothing goes to waste. Cut the peel into small strips. That's important, as it helps release all the valuable properties inside. Now grab a clean jar and place the chopped peel inside. Pour alcohol over it. It has powerful properties that are perfect for this use. Seal the jar and let it sit for a few hours. Once the liquid is ready, soak a cotton pad in the mixture. Pineapple not only smells amazing, it works surprisingly well with alcohol. Wipe your knees with the soaked pad. The best time to do this is at night, just before bed. By morning, you'll feel a huge difference. Your skin looks noticeably better, and the result is way more impressive than you'd expect from such a simple home trick.